Hi, I'm Madame Pamita, and I want to say a big welcome to you as we embark on a journey together to learn all about candle magic through my Beginning Candle Magic Foundations workshop. Whether you are brand new to candle magic or have lit dozens of candles for spells, you are definitely going to gain a lot over the course of these bite-sized lessons that will ground you in tried and true methods for creating your own candle spells totally customized for your personal intentions. If you've ever wanted to break free from candle spell recipes and create your own bespoke spells totally tailored to your exact wishes, then this is the course for you. In this course, we're going to be covering some amazing topics that are going to really ground you in some very foundational candle magic information techniques so that you can create these beautiful custom spells. Here's what you're going to be learning in this workshop today. First, you'll be learning what is magic. To learn about magic, we have to know what we're talking about. So this little segment is going to teach you what magic is and how candle magic in particular is very helpful. Then we're going to be exploring why candle magic. I mean, there's so many possibilities for spells. Why would we want to use a candle spell for a certain intention? Well, we'll be covering that in this segment here. Next thing we'll be looking at is the power of symbol and how to bring symbol into our candle spells to enhance them, to focus them, and to bring in more successful candle spell results. We'll be looking at the power of color, not only in candle magic, where it really is very prominent, but in all kinds of magic. And you'll be learning how to choose colors to make your candle spells totally customized. Next, we'll be looking at the power of herbs and all the different herbs that we can bring in various different formats and how those can also support our intentions. Next, we'll be looking at candle spell timing. When do you start your spell? And how can that timing of when you start your spell enhance your intentions? So another great topic to learn. And after that, we'll be learning the candle spell format and how to create a candle spell from beginning to end in solid foundational tried and true practices. We'll be also discovering how our words empower our spell and the power of the petition paper. Then we'll be thinking and focusing on how to choose a candle color for a particular spell. Then we'll be learning what to do with your candle spell remains. And finally, we'll be exploring how do you know if your spell is working. So you'll get all of this in this class. You'll be so empowered after you leave this class. You'll be ready to create your own beautiful spells. And I'm so excited for you to join me. So why don't we get started with learning about what magic is?